Good day in the home, I'm your host VillainCloud and welcome to something new, something I call review. And today I'm gonna review this Corsair K55 keyboard, which I have for 2 years. So I daily use this keyboard. So let's go. Now let's start what you will get in the box if you buy this keyboard. But nowadays there is a new generation of this keyboard. This is the old style. You'll get a keyboard and an armrest what goes right here. So you can see it's an armrest with the keyboard. You cannot use it, and it goes with 2 clips, right here one and right here one. Under the keyboard goes right here and right here. See, and it clips in like that. Pretty easy. Then there you go. This is the K55 RGB gaming keyboard, and you can see how it looks like. It has dedicated media buttons right here. It has the lock. It has 3 settings or 4 settings for change the brightness. It has macro keys on the side, so you have 6 macro keys on the side, and you have this armrest. It's nice and textured armrest. This is and I quote, performance gaming keyboard with RGB backlighting. So this keyboard is dust and spill resistant. So this has IP42 protection. So if you spill something on the keyboard, it won't bork anything on your board. See, keyboard board, got them. 3 zones, 3 RGB zones you can even see. 3-zone dynamic RGB backlighting it's called. So here's a zone, here's a zone, and here's a zone. And you can see how it switches between the zones. Let's check it out. You can see even on the web page themselves, they spill things on the keyboard just to show you. You can get it wet and it will work fine. And guess how much it costs on the web page? 55. The link will be in the description down below to this web page. Not if I went in stock. Okay, so no, it's not in stock anymore. Okay. I think about this keyboard as a pretty cheap gaming keyboard. As for starters, it's really good. It's really functional. You have hotkeys, you have short keys for the volume and all those lovely things. So it's pretty awesome. For this as my first real gaming keyboard, I like it a lot, and it served me for 2 years, and I bet it will work even longer. So for me, it's a thumbs up. For the money, you cannot go wrong. There are more keyboards out there which could outperform this, but this, for the money, if you get it on sale, is a bargain. I would enjoy it. So if you liked it, of course, smash the like button, subscribe to the notification bell, and I hope I'll keyboard you in the next video. Bye bye!